2, 3, sapui. Hey, we're the same. How come? 1, 2, 3, sapui. Oh. 1, 2, 3, sapui. 1, 2, 3, sapui. 1, 2, 3, sapui.
Hey,
1, 2, 3, sapui.
Change your thing.
No, you change yours. 1, 2, 3, sapui. Oh, you're copying me now. See, I know.
Yeah, the sand is hot.
Slow, then I came from here.
No, I was
I
first.
came first. No, I was first. I'm the first one. Always be the champion.
I always watch movie a lot, and I love acting. So this is like a dream come true. I want to act in movies and stuff like that.
How many years surfing? 7.
Yeah, 7 years surfing. We've been surfing for 7 years. I look up to Hannah Bennett because she's a professional and she's balanced her life.
Who I look up to in surfing is Paul Chong-Sue. He's my brother, so he taught me how to surf too, with my sister.
I don't like sharing my stuff because it's my personal stuff. I don't like to share it with anyone else.
You take her stuff?
No. Yeah, I do. But when she's not there, I take it most of the time. The thing I hate about Polly is she pants me most of the time.
I guess I'm more caring and loving. My sister, she don't socialize that much.
I'm the funniest. I'm the most funniest of the world. I'm the most serious out of all.
No, I'm the most serious.
No, me, I'm the most
Alice be serious most of the time.
Yeah, she does. I got the biggest temper out of all.
No.
Yeah, Alice got
It's
short
me,
temper.
don't lie.
No, Alice gets the short temper easily, not you.
Whatever. The problem with you laugh at your jokes most of the time.
No, I don't laugh at my
Yes,
jokes.
you do.
No,
Don't
I
want to
don't.
lie.
I
You
don't.
laugh
I
at
only
your
laugh
jokes
when
most
no
of
one
the
is
time when
around.
everyone around there.
No, I don't.
And then you put that again.
No.
Yeah, I'm more best in school because I read a lot and...
No, you don't. You don't even read a lot most of the time. You just go hang out with your friends.
Excuse me, yes I
No,
do.
you don't.
You always stay in the classroom most of the
No,
time.
I don't. Alice go out most of the time. She stays in the classroom. Me, I do, cause
No, me, I'm the strongest.
Yeah, but I don't care. But I'm still the strongest out of all. You think you're the strongest? Come, what's the challenge? Right. Put it out. What's your hand?
Easy.
I'm the strongest. Told you. And we do play netball, soccer, basketball, and some other stuff too. My other hobbies are netball, rugby. I actually played for the district, me and my twin sister, and we traveled to Vanuatu for the surf. I play other sorts of games, soccer also, and a lot of games.
Whose jokes are funnier?
Me, my jokes are more funnier than her.
Her jokes are definitely funny.
But you laugh at your own jokes?
Yeah, a lot.